Hey, what is up, intelligent people? I'm Mr. Sicko, and as you can see right here, we have Finviz.com. Okay, I will be showing you a screener on how to find short squeeze stocks. Okay, so we're gonna be talking about that, and make sure to stick to right around the end because this video will be good. I mean, I'm not gonna show that. I mean, if you find this video helpful, make sure to comment down below, see what you like, a lot of good stuff, and consider liking and subscribing. Again, if you find any kind of value. So let's get straight into it. Okay. First of all, what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on Finviz here. We're gonna on screener. Okay. Then over here, we're gonna be filling a lot of things. So make sure to stick up with me because I'm gonna take out. I'm gonna show you what you need to fill out right here. Okay. So okay, the first thing what you want to do is right here being have the screener on your on your on your screen. I mean, if you have this, you're all good to go. What you want to do from here on is click on this descriptive right here. I mean, I already clicked that, so you want to click on that. Then from here on, what we're going to be filling is the average volume. And throughout the way, when I'm showing you what am I going to be filling, I will be explaining you what it means. And basically, you can just go over here and you put tell you, but I will try to explain with my words. Okay. So, what the average volume. As you can see right here, the average volume is the average number of shares traded in a secretary per day. So average number of shares back and forth throughout, I mean, in this time period, okay, or per day. So that's basically for all the days, and they have kind of a average. So what you want to click on here is to go over 300K. That's what I personally do. Absolutely love it. As you can see, the market is um, closed right now. I mean, the market, of course, it will be opening in 15 minutes. While I'm making this video pretty, I hope that I know that I'm not gonna find any stocks because the market is closed, of course. But it is what it is. Okay. So what you want to feel right here on the screen too will be the float short. What does that mean? That means the amount of short selling transactions of a given stock, or amount of a short kind of shares that people can short those. So what you want to fill over here, it will be over 10%. Click on that 10% float short. Then the next thing that you want to fill out is going into industry, of course, and just go stocks only. That's what I personally do. You can personally go in any, but I just go stocks only or X funds. Then the next thing will be float. So basically not float short, but float, only float. So that means is the number of stock shares that are available for trading to the public. This doesn't include shares held by investors, okay? So what you want to fill out right here will be under 20 million. Okay, under 20 million, we're gonna have like 84 stocks at the right here, total stocks will be 84. So, what you want to fill right here, another thing that you want to fill here will be the price or the current stock price. That's what basically means, right? So, what you want to fill out here will be over $15. Just right here, okay? So that's it for for this section for descriptive. That's all about it for now. What you want to do is go on the fundamentals, okay? You click on fundamental. You can also have gone to the all, but I just personally like to do it from this way. So from the fundamentals, what you want to do is basically go on this column right here. We're like in the fundamentals, we're gonna only be filling one thing, and it will be the EPS growth next year. Okay, and we want this to be over 20%. So over 20 right here. As you can see right now, we have only 13 stocks. The market is okay, as I said, is closed. Of course, we see the volume is not here. You can not see the change or so. Everything is 0%. And that's about it for the fundamentals. Now, what you want to do is go to technical. Okay. I know that I'm not gonna find stocks, but it is what it is. This is the point of making this video is to kind of show you what the filter is, and you can kind of try it for yourself. Okay. And the last thing that you want to fill out will be just right now, guys. So will be the 20-day simple. No, first of all, let's just start with the 200-day simple moving average. Okay. With 200-day simple moving average, what this basically means that the 200-day simple moving average of a closing price is the mean of the previous 200 days closing prices. Okay, kind of the average of them 200 days closing prices. So what we want that is for it to be above the price to be above the SMA. So you can see that the price is in a bullish run. Just kind of find it for you guys. Okay, just like that, price above. So we are bullish right now. On the 50-day simple moving average, what we want to fill will be basically again the previous 50 days, the closing prices of the previous 15 days, okay, kind of the 50 days, kind of the average. What we want to fill out right here is for it to be above the 200, okay, above the 200 moving average. Let me just find it for you. Yeah, just like that. SMA 50 to be above SMA 200, just like that. And the last thing that you want to fill out in this section will be, or simply the last thing that you want to fill out in this filter will be the 20-day simple moving average. What you want to fill out right here will be for the price to be above the SMA 20. So right here. Okay, so overall, you can see that the price, this kind of technical filters can tell us that the price is overall on the daily chart above every single moving average that is right here, 200, the 50 and the 20. So if you go right here on charts, like as you can see, we found some 7 stocks. So we're going to be taking a look at them on TradingView. Okay, but I think that I kind of screwed it up for you guys. So excuse me about that. I will really try to um kind of show you right here what I mean about that, okay? Because I will kind of stop the video and everything will get screwed. So for example, we have our ACMR, okay? ACMR. So what we want to find in this stock, as you can see, uh, we're basically going to be using this chart, okay? Clear that up off. So as you can see, it is kind of consolidating to the downside. So, and it's kind of in a panic. So this is at the point of breaking out. As you can see, we have some highs right here. We can kind of mark it up for you. Well, like we're gonna be seeing what will be happening with this high because this is the last lower high right here, this highest level, not like 96.27. And when we kind of go past that, I think that the PP will be right around 140. Not that big of a short squeeze, but this is a great filter. So you can kind of try it for yourself, see if you kind of like it. Let's just go and show you all the other stocks right here. For example, this is already trending up, so no need for that. This is interesting right here. I don't know what the heck happened with this price action right here. Was flat for a lot of time. I mean, from May till right around August till until it started to kind of push to the downside. Okay, yeah, this is the. I mean, I will not personally be looking for in that. Also, this KMBE, or basically what does that mean? KMBE, no before. Yeah, just like that. No before. It is a software infrastructure located in the USA technology industry. So as you can see, this is again we have a pennant right here, another kind of pennant forming in a pennant, and as you can see, we kind of broke the structure. As you can see, the price, the SMA 20 is above the price, but it is what it is. We want it to be above the 50 moving average. So this could be a potential squeeze. Like we don't know, we're going to see what will be happening in the future. But that's actually for today's video. So let me know what are your thoughts about this. I will go from the let me just kind of show you the filter one more time so you can kind of have it all. You can click on all right here and screenshot this. You overall have nine things that you want to fill out right here. So yeah, that's about it. Peace out. Have a great day for the rest of your day and bye.